Hi, beautiful people. So, unfortunately, I didn't do an intro for this video. But if you want to know all about this Cynosure hair, please stay tuned for the video.
Yo, hola.
Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel again. So today I'm going to be styling my hair with you guys. Let me turn my flat irons on. So I want to tell you guys all about this hair that I have been rocking. I had this hair in for a week now, I believe. I purchased it off Amazon, and I'll have all the links listed in the description box. So if you guys want to purchase this hair, once I tell you guys what my initial thoughts are about it, please feel free to check that down in the description box. So yeah, while I'm talking about this hair, I am going to be styling it. I am going to be looking off to the side. So I do apologize because my mirror is off to the side. So this is a frontal. Let me lift my camera up a little bit more so you guys can get a good view. I'm actually pull you guys a little closer so you can see it. So yeah, this is a frontal, as you can see. So yes, this is a frontal. I did make it into a wig, and my longest length is a 22 inch. I have two 22s, a 20 and a 14-inch frontal. Now for the frontal, I did dye the front of the frontal to just give it a little color. I bleached it twice. Now the second time when I bleached it, I did not leave the bleach on too long. That's why it's really not as bright, but it does have like little streaks of blonde in it, but it is giving off like that, I wouldn't say orangey, but like auburn type of color. So yeah, I did bleach the knots. The knots came out very well. Let me show you guys. So if I part it, and I can basically part it anywhere, and it's giving you scalp vibes, okay? So yeah, I did put it in the middle part. Now this hair, in my unboxing video, I stated that, I don't think I stated that it was somewhat full, but this hair is pretty thin, honestly. But so if you're looking for like that natural type of look, this would be a good company for you to go to, because although I only have 3 bundles in the frontal end, I don't think this is a lot of hair. I honestly feel like the bundles can be a little thicker. Now I do like that although this is a 22 inch, it is pretty long. So maybe if you got shorter lengths, you know, that your bundles would be thicker. So yeah. Do I receive any shedding? Absolutely not. I haven't had it installed that long, so I don't receive any shedding, no matting, no tangling. As you can see, I can run my fingers through the hair pretty well. This hair did not come with a smell. Shipping was pretty fast. I received my hair in maybe 3 days after ordering it, so shipping is pretty good. In order to tack down my frontal, I did use the Got To Be Glue spray. I used the Got To Be Glue spray, and also the Got To Be Glue styling gel in the black bottle. So yeah, and honestly, I will not be using Bold Hold for a while, because with the experience, I feel like Got To Be glue gel and the spray is working out pretty well for me. Like, this will probably be the best I have ever had my frontal looking, and also with my last install. So what I'm going to be doing is putting a little Got To Be on the ear tabs, because I have been sweating pretty bad, so it's kind of coming up, as you can see. So I'm just going to be spraying that to get it back down. Also on this side. I'm not going to be using my blow dryer. Also, if you guys want a makeup tutorial on this look, because I really think I really did a good job on my makeup today, please feel free to thumbs up this video. Actually, just comment down below, because even if you thumbs up, it can be for other reasons. So just comment down below and tell me that you guys want a makeup tutorial on this look, because I don't even have anything on my lid. I just put some color in the crease area. So yeah, and my highlight is shell popping. So I feel like it's somewhat tacky. I'm going to add a little bit of the Got To Be glue gel. And when I say this stuff is like working better than Boho, I think the problem with Boho for me is that it is breaking me out, and I really honestly do not like that. I started to get like small bumps around my edges, so I honestly don't like that, and it started to itch. So I will not be using Boho right now. If you guys have any suggestions on gel or glue that you guys want me to try out, please feel free to comment down below, and I will try my best to find the product. So what I'm doing is just adding a little Got To Be glue gel on the part where I sprayed. Usually I use a blow dryer, so this process can like speed up. So once this gets a little more tacky, I am gonna pull my ear tabs down and start styling the hair. So once I have my ear tabs on, I am going to come back and show you guys my next process. Okay, so now that it is back tacked down, I am going to start doing my edges. I'm just touching it to make sure it's dry. I do recommend that you put a scarf on and let that sit. So actually, before I start doing my edges, I'm gonna just put a scarf on and then straighten my hair.
You've been out here playing these games while I've been out here holding it down. You haven't been acting the same, acting mad funny when I come around. You said you'd be here forever, boy, you just gave me the run around. I put so much time and effort, now I'ma need you to do better, yeah. Cause I was in love, so much in love, yeah. Everything I did, it wasn't enough, no. All the sleepless nights that I stayed up on the phone, and when I wasn't around, I swear you was entertaining all these hoes. And now I'm sitting here all alone. You keep texting and calling, I'm not gonna pick up the phone, no. Cause baby, I'ma need you to do better.
Now that I have my hair all flattened out, I am going to fix these baby hairs. Well, not even fix them, because they're basically all done. I just want to fix them a little more. Flat iron these little ear tabs. Then I'm gonna use a little of my Eco Styling gel, just a little bit. Cause I don't like hard baby hairs anymore. So I'm gonna put a little of that on there. And this one is just like, so we ain't even gonna bother that one. Now I usually use my little edge comb. You know, the one that has the brush and then a comb on one side, but I honestly don't know where it's at. So we're gonna make it shake with this. And honestly guys, for you guys that don't like baby hairs, you do not have to have baby hairs on a frontal. I'm like, I wouldn't say tired of saying that, but I do tell people that all the time, because they're like, what if I don't want baby hairs? Does that mean that I can't wear a frontal? No, that does not mean that. You do not have to have baby hairs. It's all up to you. With my next installation, well actually my next installation is going to be a closure wig, and it's going to be curly, so I definitely have to have, I don't have to have baby hairs on that, so I'll wait till the next time I install a frontal to show you guys what it looks like before I add baby hairs. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, now that my baby hairs are intact, honey, intact, as you can see. Yes, honey, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just fix up the front a little bit more. And then I will show you the ending results. I'm not sure if I even told you guys the vendor, but this is an Amazon vendor of Amazon. So yeah, that lets you know right there that this hair is very affordable. So I'm gonna do my little slow-mos, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Paris Taught You. Don't forget to wake, pray, and slay, as my shirt says. Slay, pray. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Toodles.
I thought you'd be there for me, but you chose to walk away. You promised me forever, forever.